Yeah, hello everybody. This is Benjamin. I want to quickly see if I could briefly describe some of the muscles of facial expression here. So I'm going to be clicking that, and it's going to be highlighting white for the specific muscle I have to talk about. So basically, the muscle of facial expressions are the muscles that we use to express our emotion, maybe why we're happy, why we are angry, why we are moody. The expression on our face are produced by these muscles, and they have the major nerve supplying them is actually the facial nerve, which is the cranial nerve number 7. So I'm going to be pointing at them so you'll be able to see. So let's start from the eye. So the muscle surrounding the eye that helps us to close the eyelid, it's the orbicularis oculi. That's the muscle that is highlighted in white. So it actually has two parts, the palpebral part and the orbital part, but we are not talking about that for now. But the most important thing you need to know, it's the muscle that surrounds the eye, which is the orbicularis oculi. So let's go to another muscle of the mouth, which actually surrounds it, just like orbicularis oculi of the eye, is the orbicularis oris. Orbicularis oris. Then we go to the muscle here at the frontal part of the skull. That's the frontalis. So we've identified frontalis, orbicularis oculi, and orbicularis oris. Now we go to the muscle in the nose, and that's the procerus. That's the small muscle there. That's the procerus muscle. Then I want to see other muscle. Now then there's another muscle. That muscle highlighted in white is the depressor supercilii. Then let's go to other muscles, the deep muscles there. Okay, we don't have to go there because it's not part of the muscle of facial expression. Now that muscle that I've picked now is the zygomaticus minor. Obviously we're going to have zygomaticus major. You can see that zygomaticus minor is more medial, while zygomaticus major, those are the muscles we use in smiling. So like that. So let's pick another muscle there. That's the levator labii superioris. According to the name, it's elevate. That's levator, that you are levitating. Labii, lips. Superioris, that's at the superior part. That's at the upper part. Levator labii. So that's the muscle in white, highlighted in white. Now that other muscle there, that's the mentalis. That's one that I've highlighted there. Then there's another, that's a platysma, but we don't need that now. It's not part of the muscle of facial expression that we need to know. Now, the other time we talked about levator labii superioris. Now we're talking about depressor angula oris. Depressor depresses the edges of the mouth. That's angle oris. Mouth is the oris. So depressor angular oris. So I think we've identified those ones. So let's look at the side. Now another muscle here is the temporal. We have the temporalis, but we have temporal fascia covering the temporalis, which is part of the muscle of mastication, but not part of the muscle of facial expression. But you should know that. Now another muscle of mastication there is the masseter, so you should also know that. So at the posterior side, we have the hospitalis, which through Galen aponeurosis attached it to the frontalis. You can see that's the frontalis, which is part of muscle of facial expression. Then back you have hospitalis. So those are the basic muscles you need to know. So basically, muscles of facial expression are the muscles we use to express our emotions. Obviously at the anterior side of the head, and we mentioned a number of them: orbicularis oculi, the frontalis, orbicularis oris, mentalis, depressor angular oris, levator labii superioris, zygomaticus major, zygomaticus minor, and the procerus. Yeah, like that. So see you some other time. Bye for now.